Hello, everyone. This podcast is for beginners. You do not need to be perfect.
You belong here. This is a safe place to learn.
Please listen slowly and calmly. You can relax your mind.
Take a small breath. Sit comfortably where you are.
It is normal to feel nervous with English. Many learners feel the same.
Here, comfort is more important than performance.
Mistakes are okay here. We will learn together, step by step. Many English learners feel a quiet struggle inside. This struggle is very common.
Yes, this feeling can be heavy. It can make learning feel hard.
Sometimes you feel stuck. You study, but you do not move forward.
You may feel unsure. You may doubt yourself.
Many learners fear mistakes. They worry about speaking wrong.
This fear is normal. Many people feel the same.
There is no pressure here. No one judges you.
You are not alone. We understand you. Now, we want to share a simple idea with you. It is not scary or difficult.
Today we talk about one small decision. This decision can change many things.
Please do not worry. This idea is very human.
It is something normal people do. You can do it too.
You do not need special skills. You do not need perfect English.
Just listen with an open mind. This idea is possible for you. Let us talk about one important personal choice, a small choice you make for yourself.
I like this idea. It feels simple and kind.
Big. Change often starts small. One decision can open a new path.
Yes, progress does not need to be fast. Slow steps are still steps.
When you choose to be kind to yourself, your confidence can grow little by little.
That feeling is important. It helps learners feel safe.
This choice also shapes your daily habits. What you do every day matters.
Daily life is where learning lives. Small actions repeat.
This is true for English learning too. Your decision affects how you study.
You can trust yourself. You can move at your own speed.
Over time, one choice becomes many results. It can change how you feel and learn.
Now, let us look at some useful words. These words help explain this idea. Now, let us slow down. We will look at some simple words.
These words help us understand the idea better. Vocabulary helps feelings become clear.
These are words about decisions, words about choosing and changing.
A decision means you choose one thing. Change means something becomes different.
These words feel gentle. They are not strong or scary.
They connect to growth. Growth means moving forward slowly.
You can use these words every day, in life and in learning.
Just listen and feel the words. Now let us return to our main idea.
Let us talk again about English learning, about your daily practice.
This one decision changes your routine. It changes how you study each day.
Many learners feel tired of studying. They want easier learning.
When you choose calm learning, your habits become lighter.
This also helps speaking. You feel less fear.
You do not need perfect English. You only need to try.
Small actions are enough. Short listening, short speaking.
Over time, this brings improvement. Real progress comes slowly.
This idea can feel relaxing, It removes heavy pressure.
Consistency is more important than speed. A little every day works.
This mindset supports you. It gives you strength.
Next, we will learn more helpful words about mindset and progress. And now we will learn some mindset words. These words help your thinking.
I like these words. They feel warm and friendly.
Mindset words are important. They shape how you learn.
Patience is one key word. Learning takes time.
Progress means moving forward. Even small steps count.
Consistency means doing a little often, not one big day.
These words match real feelings you have when learning.
Slow progress is okay. You are doing well.
Calm learning works best. Let us keep this feeling.
Now, let us think quietly about your own life. Take a quiet moment now. Think about yourself.
Notice your thoughts. Notice your feelings.
English learning is part of life. It connects to your day.
Learning has emotions, happy and difficult ones.
Believe in yourself. You are capable.
Everyone has good days and hard days. This is normal.
Be patient with yourself. You deserve kindness.
Reflection helps language grow. It builds understanding.
Stay calm and comfortable. You are safe here.
Now let us talk about staying connected. Learning is better together. Connection can help.
Our community is friendly. You are welcome.
There's no pressure here. You choose your pace.
Slow learning is fine. Gentle steps are enough.
We all share this journey. We learn side by side.
You belong with us. You are not alone.
You can keep listening when you feel ready.
Let us move to a calm close. Thank you for listening today. We are happy you are here.
You are capable. Your English can grow.
We learn together. We support each other.
Progress comes step by step. Slow is strong.
Just listening is learning. You are doing something good.
Let us recap. One small choice matters. Calm learning helps. Consistency is key.
Comment practice. Write one small choice you will make for English.
Thank you for being with us. Goodbye and take care.